Ernie.
Hi, yeah, I've got a few questions. Is that okay?
Yeah, of course, go ahead.
How can I apply to DMU?
UCAS Extra.
What is UCAS Extra?
UCAS Extra is an opportunity for you to gain a place at university or college before the 6th of July. If you've already got 5 options on your original application and you've changed your mind, then you can add another to your UCAS application. UCAS Extra is also for those students who aren't currently holding any offers, so it's not too late for you to apply for one of our fantastic courses. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to call us on 0116 250 60 70 and we'll give you all of the options you have for UCAS Extra.
So what courses are available through UCAS Extra?
So most of our courses are available through UCAS Extra. If you'd like to double check, head to our website, give us a call or drop us a WhatsApp.
Can I apply before I've had my results?
UCAS Extra is open now all the way through till the 5th of July. So if you're still waiting your results, you can contact us and we can get you an offer.
How can I get in touch?
You can speak to us via our inquiry line on 0116 250 60 70.
Do I have to call?
No, you could also contact us on WhatsApp on 07970 655 800 or email us at inquiry@dmu.ac.uk and we'll do our best to support and advise you.
What is clearing?
Clearing is a way for you to get an offer at a university around the A-level results period.
Why would clearing be for me?
So there's a few reasons why clearing may be for you. If you've never applied to university before, if you're currently holding an offer but have changed your mind, or if things haven't quite gone as you expected and you're having to rethink your options. So if you fit into one of those 3 categories, then clearing's for you.
When does clearing open?
Clearing opens on the 6th of July.
What is a level 3 qualification?
Something like an A-level, BTEC, access course or international baccalaureate, or whatever is the equivalent to that in your country.
Can I get a clearing offer if I'm holding an offer from another university?
You can receive an offer, but you can't accept an offer while you're holding offers for other universities.
Can I apply for a foundation course?
So we have a range of foundation courses available, most of which will be on offer throughout clearing. If you'd like to double check, head to our website or give us a call.
Can I apply for a postgraduate course?
You don't have to apply for a postgraduate course through clearing, but you can apply for one of our fantastic postgraduate courses all the way up until the course starts through our website portal.
When can I book my accommodation?
So if you're currently holding a firm offer with us, then you can book now, but if you're going through clearing, then you'll have to wait till you've accepted your offer.
How can I find out more about the courses DMU has to offer?
So we're hosting a virtual open day on the 4th of July. This will have virtual campus tours, live streams and videos about courses and also a bit about the university in general. If you'd like to book on, head to www.dmu.ac.uk/open days.
How do I meet other students joining DMU this year?
You can join our Applying to DMU 2020 Facebook group, and now you've got the steps to the perfect UCAS Extra experience.